Again, I'm going to break it up. And it's going to be into three terms now. 3x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 squared plus 3x minus 1 cubed. These are all, 3x minus 1 is a linear factor. So we get a, b, c. I'm going to multiply the left and right side by the LCD, and you're going to get 9x squared minus 15x equals a, 3x minus 1 squared plus b, 3x minus 1 plus c. All right? Again, I would say that the value that you should pick is an easy value, and I'm going to pick x to be 1/3. The number one reason for that is the right side, two of the terms disappear immediately. And what he left off with C. Now what I have to do is I got to figure out when I plug that in there, well, it's really not that bad because 1/3 when squared is 9, and 1/9, and 9 times 1/9 is 1. Minus, well, let's see, 15 times 1/3 is going to be 5. So C is minus 4. All right, relatively simple. Let me get my eraser out, and I'm going to put that down now. Minus 4. All right? Here comes the part where people say, I don't know what the next easy number is. Well, I'm going to pick 0 because I think 0 is easy. And if I did that, I got to be pretty careful here, don't I? So the left side's, it couldn't be easier, just 0. And what's the right side going to be? Well, that's going to be A. I'm choosing 0 minus B. Now, I hope you don't forget that I know what C is. C is minus 4. All right? Now, I'm going to write this a little differently. I'm going to write down A minus B equals 4. Right? I found that pretty easy to do, by the way. But I still don't know what A or B is. Right? So I'm going to pick another, what I believe to be an easy value. I'm going to pick 1. And what would I get? Well, if I pick 1, which I think is easy, what do you get? You get 9 minus 15, which is minus 6. Again, I'm picking 1. Again, I want to remind you, we're plugging into here. And what would you get? Well, let's see. You get 3 minus 1, which is 2, 4a. Then what do you get? 2b. And what's c? Well, we've already determined c to be minus 4. Well, let's write this down. I'm going to write it down as 4a plus 2b equals, and I'm going to add 4 to both sides. You get minus 2. All right? I'm going to write these two equations down. The first equation is a minus b equals 4. The second equation I'm going to divide through by 2. And what do you get? 2a plus b equals minus 1. I'm going to add these together. You get 3a is equal to 3, and now a I know to be 1. Let me go back up here and get my eraser out and write that down. Now, the question is, how do you get the b? Well, I'm looking at this. I think it's pretty easy, right? So what do you get? You get 1 minus b is equal to 4. So b would have to be minus 3. So let me go over here and put that down. I'm going to put a box in this, commit to this answer. But before I say it's right, I definitely want to check my key. I've been provided a key. So I get this here. That's good. I got this one over here. That's good. And I got this one over here. It's all looking good. All right? Thank you.